This is Chris Ayers with Video Insight, and today we're going to talk about the day-to-day usage of the Video Insight web client. To access the web client, go ahead and bring up your URL for the web client. This is going to be the IP address of the server /Video Insight. If you are unaware of the IP address of your server, go ahead and ask your administrator as to what that may be. General navigation of the web client is all based on the left tree here. By clicking individually on a camera in the left tree, it will bring that camera into a full screen layout in a position. I can view it full screen like this, continually doing so as I keep on clicking the different cameras that exist. If you would like to create your own custom layout, just go ahead and click the little checkbox next to the camera icon. As you continue to do so, it will continue to put the cameras into a best fit layout, displaying as many cameras as you can see fit here, upwards to 36. If you want to access recorded history from the camera, click the individual camera here in the right viewing window and bring that up and it'll come up full screen. In this window, it will begin to load the timeline for this specific camera. Anywhere within the timeline, you may click, drag, and go to your recorded history. If you would like to check something other than the same day, click the calendar icon over here. Once this is done, it will bring up the calendar where you can go back and forth between the months. If a day is highlighted in orange, that is an indication that recorded video occurred for that day. From my timeline, I have the ability to fast forward and rewind, play it back at normal speed, or step forward frame by frame to get an individual single frame versus fluid playback. You will also have the ability, dependent on what permissions are and things like that, to be able to come in and bookmark your video or to create a custom clip. To create a clip, you click the clip icon down here, move the two blue sliders and pre-position it around the information you want to record, determine whether or not you want to keep a watermark, and then select this icon here. This icon will ask you to save that information. You point it to a location and it will download it from the web client. If the camera is a physical pan tilt zoom, same thing when you're in the image itself. You'll have the ability for PTZ controls. You'll also have the ability for presets if this camera has the ability for control. You can also show a camera at actual size. You can also reset the camera, that's going to reset the feed, or you can take an individual JPEG screenshot snapshot. To access facility maps, select the facility map icon here in your upper left-hand corner and select your maps and begin navigating through your maps. While highlighted over a camera, if you click that specific camera, it'll bring it up full screen so you can access recording again. Also, if you have access to any custom views, you will see those here and have the ability to go to your views. These will be those custom layouts that have been created on the admin side that you'll have access to here in the web client. If you would like to put your cameras into a specific layout, select over here where the A button is. This is for autofit. This means as you continually click, it will continually add in best fitted. You can pick any of the layouts going all the way up to 36 and then placing your cameras in a 36 camera layout, however you see fit to display your information.